Well, switching gears, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered one of its most consequential decisions of the term this morning, upholding a law in Tennessee that bans gender-affirming care for minors. Now, this law specifically prohibits the use of puberty blockers. Now, 2 years ago, a federal judge in Arkansas overturned a similar bill in the natural state called the SAFE Act. That ruling was appealed by the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals. And this morning's decision in Tennessee has a lot of people questioning if any changes are in the horizon in the natural state. Mike Rogers joins us live outside the Capitol tonight. And Mike, you talked with people on both sides of the political aisle, so what are they saying tonight?
Yeah, Jessica, in 2023, a federal district court blocked the 2023 law that banned gender-affirming care for minors here in Arkansas. Now, Arkansas law is similar but not the same as Tennessee law. Now, despite that, the Arkansas Attorney General's office says that it plans to look into the ruling and see if there's any way it can apply to Arkansas law. Now, today, I spoke with Jerry Cox with the Family Council, a conservative group. He told me Arkansas law was created to protect children. He says intervening in the development process and implementing hormone blockers in teenagers and changing their bodies with surgery is irreparable and supports the law.
This law does not prevent children with gender dysphoria issues from receiving treatment or help or counseling. We believe they need it. We want it to happen. We just don't want doctors who get really aggressive to start cutting on children to try to make them look like the opposite sex, or injecting them with powerful hormones and puberty blockers that will change their physical makeup.
Now, I also reached out to the ACLU of Arkansas, and they called the Supreme Court's ruling discriminatory and say it targets transgender youth, and they're reviewing it. Now, even with today's ruling, as of now, Arkansas's ban on gender-affirming care for minors remains blocked, and Attorney General Tim Griffin says he plans to go to the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals in hopes of overturning the law currently blocked in Arkansas. Jessica?
All right, thanks, Mike. Certainly something that we will continue to follow here as it progresses. Meanwhile, President